a problem. It's often me, myself, and I. Drop my pants, choke my chicken, almost shot my eye. Rub one out while in the bathroom. Pre-cum will soon be inside. If this lube begins to run out, then I'll continue dry. If they ask why, tell them I'm a masturbator. Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. If they ask why, tell them I'm a masturbator. Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. Watching porn on my computer, convince myself she's really there. Spraying out like a volcano, my chisels everywhere. They ask why, tell them I'm a masturbator. Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. They ask why, tell them I'm a masturbator. Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. I hate coming this way. I ain't getting no play. No play. No play. Tossing off inside my bedroom. I close the door to be discreet. Reaching down, I grab my boner. I'm beating on my knees. If they ask why, tell them I'm a masturbator. Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. If they ask why, tell them I'm a masturbator. Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. If they ask why? Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. If they ask why? Ooh, tell them why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. If they ask why? Ooh, tell them why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. If they ask why? Why? 'Cause I rarely get laid. I hate coming this way. This way. This way.
Yeah, put your hands together for the line.
Keep your legs apart.
The karaoke king, parody king. Karaoke, how about that? The parody king in the house, y'all. One of a kind, never seen him before.